Hello. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to cook sausage in a toaster oven. Sausages have an irresistibly delicious taste. Bite after bite, these juicy pieces of meat just leaves you yearning for more. There are different methods of cooking sausages. They can be broiled, pan-fried, boiled, pan-steamed, grilled, baked, and so on. Cooking sausage in a toaster oven is by far the easiest, fastest, simplest, and is the most convenient method of preparing your sausage. It gives more temperature control and frees up the stovetops for the preparation of other meals. Thus, better than any other method. What you'll need: 1 pound sausage. Follow these steps to cook your sausage in a toaster oven. 1. Preheat the toaster oven to a temperature of about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Remove sausages from the fridge and leave them for about 10 to 20 minutes to defrost before cooking. 3. Lay parchment paper or aluminum foil on a baking pan. 4. Line the sausages on the baking pan about 2 inches apart and sprinkle with olive oil or cooking spray. 5. Bake for 10 to 25 minutes depending on the size of sausages, making sure that the pan is at the center of the oven. 6. Check the cooking process at intervals and flip sausages for even baking. 7. Broil for the remaining minutes of baking to get a perfectly browned skin. 8. Using your meat thermometer, check if the temperature of the sausages is 160 degrees Fahrenheit. 9. Turn off your toaster oven, remove sausages from the oven and serve. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below so we can know your thoughts. Also, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we post a new video. Finally, don't forget to check the description below for more details. Visit our website, zimtoasters.com for more toaster content like this.